really don't know what I'm gonna fix my crotch for lunch this afternoon, but Mom needs some coffee first. I honestly think it's time for a new Keurig, only because my Keurig does not get hot like it used to. And I'm highly upset. Do y'all think I should get another Keurig? Or should I get an espresso machine? Comment down below what I should get. Between sweet and creamy and French vanilla, they both have me in a mean chokehold. So, on today's menu, all right?
Okay.
You can either choose from chicken nuggets and fries, steak and cheese, or noodles.
Noodles.
Noodle. Do you want beef or chicken?
Beef.
Twinno.
Yeah.
On the menu, we have chicken nuggets and fries, noodles, or steak and cheese.
Noodles.
Noodles. Do you want the spicy noodles? No?
I meant the chicken nuggets and fries.
You want chicken nuggets and fries? How many nuggets do you want?
5.
Only 5? You don't want 6? You only want 5? Okay. Love you.
Well,
On what?
on TikTok, I saw they had put 10 chicken nuggets. And then when I finished, they put a million fries. Then they ate it.
A million fries? Are you sure it was a million? Or was it 20 quadrillion? My crotch fruit placed 8 orders. Mama finally got her coffee. It warms my fucking soul drinking this. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy right now.